Oh, hey guys. I'm making my setup like more comfortable and more like productive, and and to do so, I got a new tripod myself. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my last tripod, the one I used to record the Charizard unboxing video, and then I'm going to show you the one that I got, and I hope it is a good one. I just received the package. It is over there, and I'm gonna show you the what kind of tripod is and what is what and what's what. And I'm gonna show you what kind of tripod is and the quality. I don't know. I just got it from Amazon. It's my first tripod ever. I've never thought I would be acquiring a tripod, but I did so. So I'm gonna share with you so you can use my experience as a starting point. So there you go. You're gonna see my current tripod, the one which I used to start making YouTube, and then you're going to see the real deal. Okay, me. So this bad guy here, huh? I bet you didn't know. You can just like go over here, and I could do slits, so I can put my phone in there. It stays perfectly balanced. Okay, it's it's free. I'm real cheap, so I just get to my bathroom and got the first thing I I could use to put my phone steady and be able to record, because the metallic one, I have one made of aluminum, but it always put the phone on an angle that is really hard to keep stable. Okay, so we are going to put my guy over here, maybe here. I don't want him to end up lost. And I'm going to show you the good one, okay? Here you go. Come in here. Come with Papa. Ah. Very nice. I'm gonna use my super duper tripod, okay? Okay, so I'm here using my super cool tripod. I'm gonna put a box under just to give it a little more elevation. And yeah, we're going to unbox this big boy. I don't know. So, what's this? Oh yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Is this like a little dirty? In my location, Amazon it's like having many troubles to properly deliver the packages. Okay, but I managed to somehow keep buying things and keep getting into trouble. Hey, look at this. This is a proper. I'm gonna put it right here. It's a proper tripod, guys. SmallRig. This is the TC20, I believe. CT20, okay? CT20. Boy, oh boy. This is a very nice tripod. It works as a, what's it called? To walk in the mountains, okay? You can like remove a leg from the tripod. This is silica, very nice for keeping things smelling nice smell. Oh my god, best unboxing channel ever. Some tooling, okay. This is the support for the cell phone. You kind of like, oh yes, dun, dun, dun. You put your cell phone here, you make it stay in place with this one, and this is the thing that goes into the tripod, and you're good to go. Okay, this is the manual. Of course, we are not going to read it unless we have to. Oh, it's heavy, guys. It's really heavy. It's made out of aluminum alloy. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Okay. Oh. I saw the, hey, good, hey, look at this bad boy. It has a level here. I don't know. I'm gonna place it in some, oh my goodness, this is proper pro stuff. Okay, so let me show. This is really good stuff, okay? This thing here is to place the phone support or bracket, I don't know what's called. Okay, so you just install it, place it, make it well placed. You can adjust here to different phone sizes. You can adjust here to like rotate your phone, and then you can go ahead and install it in the bracket here. Okay, this is the screw to make it safe. Yeah, it doesn't move. You have an additional one for your camera. Perhaps you have a professional camera, you just mount it in here, and then you can just swap your mobile phone onto your camera very fast. Those are for this is a replacement for the legs, which are rubber for in-house utilization, and these ones are for when you are taking your tripod. The metal ones are used when you take your tripod outside, like in the mountain, on the rocks. Not my priority. Some tooling, some Allen tools, and here comes the good stuff. This okay, everything is safe. This screw here allows you to move. Look, this is like, I don't have it like strongly placed because I don't need to. But when you unscrew, it is easy to move, easy to rotate. You have measurements for the angle, so you need to make like a 30 degrees rotation or 60 or 360, you choose. Then you bam, you like lock it in the angle you like. This one here is to allow rotations, is to allow this movement here. Yeah, whenever you like put it locked, you end up like stopped. Then you have another one in the back which allows, believe, what's the deal with this one? Oh yeah, it stops from rotating this ball also, and I don't know. I'm not thinking. I don't think I'm going to be using so much all the degrees of freedom, but it's okay if I haven't. This is the screw to keep this guy in place. You have also this moving in here. I don't know what for. It has a leveling. So I believe you can okay, you can like rotate this direction, then you can do this, and you can level up the bubble in here. Okay, there's a bubble in here. You can level up and do your recordings in this orientation. Okay, very nice. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy I got this. You have another level in here and in here, just to guarantee that this platform is properly leveled. Okay, let me try. Good. Okay. Perfect. Guys, this is a really nice tool. Okay. You also I'm going to grab the phone to like show you. Let me just zoom out a bit. In here you have another screw to allow this movement. I'm going to destroy my recently acquired tripod, so you can like set it in place and lock it, so you have that height. You have the same behavior down here, where you can unscrew and oof, it goes down. Okay, so you can have like different levels. Also, if you want, you can place the legs in like weird angles, even what appears to be nearly 90 degrees angles with respect to this vertical pipe here. But I'm going to place it on the position I like. It's a very nice tool. Let me just set the camera here again, and I'm gonna try to show you the highest point it can achieve. Look at this. Look at that. That's my roof over there. This thing is very, very, very useful. You can only dream what you can do with that. Let me just. There you go. There you go. Look at this. I'm going to unscrew here to whoop, record it to my desk. Oh my goodness. Screw again. What do you say? Isn't this amazing or what? Now I can use it to like proper recording here where I'm drawing or making unboxings and everything. So yeah, let me just woo, woo, woo. Well, hey, thank you for watching. It wasn't so short at the end, but it's worth this tripod is totally worth it. I'm going to like leave it on the description, the link, the Amazon link, so you can get yours. Also, I recommend it totally, guys. It's a very, very, very nice tripod. You wouldn't regret it. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next. Have fun. Bye bye.